said yes, say, you know, Albert Amoah are returning to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. After the return, in Central Phony be a cancer, a church and a power. With regards to the reason why it's here, Kotoko, Asakofa Albert Amoah, and I say, Alali Bengazi for Asama Albert Amoah are joining the former club. I ring so many bells, and no crowd yet. Minam media no so. Me who one story no HSA Albert Amoah returns to Kumasi Asante Kotoko after flop. And as I say flop Albert Amoah returns. Na no kre woman say enye flop sem. And na if friend run your story ni break it. I tried as much as possible to give you explanation as to why in here Albert Amoah had to let go of Nkofono had to let go of Albert Amoah to join Kumasi Asante Kotoko for 6 months no. In semono ayana technicalities kakra wo. Yes. Nti enye player ne buy no player nasa na ye ja no se onsanko na onkumia ne ball. But akwenya na aba for Kotoko say so currently as we speak, a player no na ultimate feature ma to my friend Alali Bengazi na the right thing to do is that we have to take the player on a loan. Not in the time being no Wabama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So explanation no mensaka we there a konko pa I hope say nti asebe adwuma na you moving on. At this time of the season, Kumasi Asante Kotoko needs him. And to some of the players, especially, men can say outgoing Kumasi Asante Kotoko players or more to say no. Yeah, the bit too hopeful because hey, the be amikase abuchiro no ose oni NC fie o obeko but imun 70 bebre enti players like Peter Midwakwa mom foreigners no cry the enjoy myself, but the local players are own na a drew some contract beso na mo dragging your ma china me manager abishia mo me manager kra to kwan na mo dragging your ma na mo time so na mo kwa moko these places no the green is not always greener at the other end no, but sir ujina echira unhuni say grass ni green. But however, if you get close to it, then you see the real situation na that's no creba kwa agent for no encourage players no. The time bia no players ne beko no maba players ne beko no maba, but for Albert Amoah case ne dey enye Albert Amoah the same reason. What I say, and yet the same reason. The reason why Albert is coming back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko but waha made in Chimuno ever bro me pacho unsubscribe and I hit the rest subscribe at some so now what about the Sonia build together information be brain we are saying now in that top the D never say the bro no ye bro ye be filter news no e same bebre and a console media no so. But the most important thing is that here we filter the news and we bring you what you are supposed to hear. Yes, it's over joining Kotoko reaction 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260. Now you didn't come out about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. You come March day 19. You need baby any good stars and you de echo yam so. Kai Shannon so say game no a chine ya a china and a game no a basso and team. So person bit me akɔ be a baby any ye call away. So that's it. Me pacho wa join it Kotoko reaction na no subscribe so amame Asante Kotoko. Sem Sante Kotoko and sem de if you had it. We do a very good analysis of Asante Kotoko issues. Will fear her. Now, who said the club will progress well. Yes, and the date is 16th of January 2026, the year of our Lord. Let's take this message as a light for our path. And now, and a close to Ghana second round transfer window. No. Now, me about 8 deals are very top deals are also at the end of the first round. No, but the whole same ever bro fear. Yes, but your message we and nanti as a light for a path and then reaction also. Don't complicate your issues by complaining too much. Don't complicate your issues by complaining too much. Nikwan say, saying wasem by complaining. Complaining do not bring any productivity, any results. Therefore, do not waste time to be complaining, especially if you are an adult. So we are adult, we are penny. Do away with complaints. Yeah, if sometimes you need to ask questions. But penny now complaining you are not going to get far. You are not going to get progress. You are not going to develop. You are not going to advance well. So quit complaining and do the work. So when this is the light for our path messenger. And I mean, our story be about Mohammed Kamara so was signed. Na information to the be a media no so no a bar when ya botra omanfo be ka chacha ne pa. Mohammed Kamara on sign ma Kotoko say was sign contract for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nemu no wa sign an agency deal with Pro Sports for no. Mohammed Kamara and this adena any obinyako. Because on also a place now, omubo 2 years I know omubo 2 years I know It's such situations I know. Anything we are who na information I mean say can say ono what target South Africa. It's what's the Pro Sports for also a more solid agency or South Africa. It's Mohammed Kamara issue no. No. And I think to be real honest, let's face facts. Mohammed Kamara issue can wasemi. Kamara free Kotoko. Kotoko have a very, very good goalkeepers. And for Albert Agbasiriano, Usolomo Agbasiriano, Kotoko Abe the bank say they are not interested in Solomon Agbasi. Yes, confirm. Now, I'm out for Sunday. Razak Abalora Ellen Kikumasa Sante Kotoko. And no Saturday will be happen now. It is going to be at the end of the season. You get it? Yes. Now, Omumi no, they are good goalkeepers. But currently, Lusre Kotoko set up now. Kotoko Aziz Aruna Dare. Kotoko Aziz Aruna Dare. He's there. He's a goalkeeper. And goalkeeping, it just needs consistency. Send the daba kumi no yeah. What else again? So goalkeeping there should have no problem. Mohammed Kamara obekwa onko. Yehi obi obehye go amaye. Yehi obi obegyina akire ho na yehu say your midfield no ene your defense no work. Omunya bo mutimi operate in the middle. No more the call. These are the kind of players I here. So goalkeeping headache there, me for instance, enimiso, dream goalkeeper who cry. Mohammed Kamara, it is not a really problem because we have very good backups. Aziz Aruna Dari Benjamin Chumo and our goalkeeper who is at loan currently with Kwamu Future Stars, and also which is Fatal Seidu. So you see the goalkeeping, me as I cover goalkeeper for Faraba, Emphascano, the Emfanko solid attacker be. Now, Hezino, Kotoko any Muhono, Ebeye Abet Amoah and Dogo Yakubu. Donzu, any Kwame Pukudi, Mze, I just saw a war more. So, Mope say Bono, the Akano, or Mubibubia, a war more. Yeah, and yes, say, Yankasi a year, Mama, but the point is, your performance will determine whether or not you are going to be part of Coach Karim Zito plans. Because Minoka say Coach Karim Zito assigned a new striker, which is Dogo Yakubu, and we don't expect this particular player to be sitting at the bench, especially the player was signed in the first round. Let us say, Uhiana say, Ombre ni menimu ya na ombe bibi. prove bibi emma na player was sign animu ya no what they never na bench to me it doesn't make a very good sense just like player your friend no Prince Bedu de no yakofa Prince Bedu at when na Obama Nations FC na Prince Bedu aba no ade tell us all then it na bench now still now experiment senka experiment nko ade a sanka e was enka player no ujana chidi na o sign at the end of the season but what would you mention no enti expectedly Kotoko up front and say no wow follow Kotoko bia and you know say these new two strikers are omaba no omo na yede omo start ya bo Donzo no ene Kwame Puku no for the first one omo mienu o ka omo goals a omo sha emoro 5 enu 5 omo mienu emoro 5 and it is a very bad record obi beka say you can hold brief for them with the fact say omo mienu no omo nse dem feature more games or more minutes but omo anabo sa enye we na ebo we hardly see it say omo mienu ebe start but say enye we na ebo nti minutes no omo mienu na achim so the mention no but it is hardly say omo mienu nyina ebe start however say enye we na ebo we don't have any situation omo mienu nyina at bench either say na we ebo but they bia omo mienu we na ebo okabu ma omo go so ma share 5 and it's a very bad record for Asante Kotoko. Ukuma apemeba is a motu. Yemfa enkutwa loto. Afcon no basu weekend final no basu. Fanze say no tima friend Senegal and Morocco and a call final na another final and a third place no so Nigeria and Egypt and also and a third place no Saturday Sunday and about so Saturday na third round about so na Sunday final no about so 7 and also any Afcon update kakra e man Afcon no so e be so afia yes was it Afcon a e koso ma men kan chemu say Afcon a e koso 2025 but e dey run 2026 and 2026 no so a man Afcon e ba so e be koso Morocco I'm told say e be so in the middle of the year baby. And oh dear, by God being so good, Ghana or my conqueror, a Kanwa group, you know, and run on group, you know, Ghana will group D, and Cameroon, and Cape Verde, and Mali, yes, and also any information or I mean, some farmer Ghana, you will group D, and Cameroon, Cape Verde, Mali, and my conqueror Ghana. This is group D of the Women's Afcon, WAFCON, ever so a fee, or my friend of Morocco. And also any kakra eba ewo now my fa details explanation with regards to the reason why it's here Amoah as I join the Kumasi Asante Kotoko no na and I may try some explanation because nti ase dey here Amoah registration with them go through na say na added information I mean say can say almost say Libya for league no omo in zones. You mention what I say. Omo team zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. Now these zones and na team bia will be lead the zone no. So team bia will be lead the zone no. Una are the leader of that zone. It's more leaders I'm told to say omo yi 2-2. Leaders zone we wa be lead zone we wa be lead zone we wa be lead no team zones near 4 near pekemo na fe mako the next stage of the league so the becho no it's mako the next stage of the league na omo tie gu na omo antimi enwura your friend is saying omo antimi am finish first and second no omo league na automatically and I say indirectly abewe because we are progressing. If we are progressing there, more meant me and topping zones, what it means is that you are not going to play any football until the next season begins. This is a conk explanation and nanajo midim komo a co libya no mensa a kind with regards to why in here Abet Amoah deal with Kumasi Asante Kotoko 6 months deal loan no air possible because Abet Amoah club by friend Al Ali Benghazi for no they couldn't made it in their zone. They couldn't top their zone. Inti, Minoka say no. The season is virtually ended. So the metro, they couldn't progress to the next stage, the next phase of Omo League, thereby making their season virtually obsolete. What did I mention? Inti Amoah and Sano no mu Kotoko so Kotoko has been keeping very close touch with Libyan for no and Kotoko engage almost any sanitary be here Albert to come and play for us for the year season it is still now in section to say the year I finish boy a second round into yes remo mo fan my na satam crown no was abo on your rusty na ya prepare no more na ye bowie ya amasa be fam ade ekọ so de e na omo say wow de mo kai e make sense nti ye be ye ne saa amamo e na omo nso ti ase e na omo exchange bibia na ye sensan ya player no yes join Asante Kotoko baby any good stars game no cry china sanko already and ko baby but me just show say obebubi. So this is the conk explanation I've been brief with and yes player no way flop and yes almost strikers no nya bi mo and at the end ni nyina no and said that and no cress so I hope say nchichi mo amedi abe no mo a wo hwe me wa wo tie me no wonya ntiase no from it Kumasi Asante Kotoko Eko baby any good stars yeah we wish you all the best so menya 3 points against